Yep, so here we are again. It's about to go down. Today we're having my grandson's 4th birthday party, and my son asked me to make some wings. So I got 4 big giant family packs of chicken wings from Sam's Club. We're gonna smoke them for probably about 3 hours out here, and then I'm gonna split them in half and make a few different sauces, or maybe a couple of different sauces to go on these wings. Try to make them the best wings I could possibly make for everybody. So let's get at it. So I've been in here working hard. This is the pack. I just got one more to clean. I already been in here working hard. So I made this brine with this cilantro lime seasoning and some apple cider vinegar and some bay leaves. So I got one more pack to clean. Then I'll rinse them off a few more times, get them as clean as I can, and then we're going from there. Season them up, get them smoking. Yep, so I got all my chicken wings clean, and now I'm gonna let them continue to sit in this brine that I made for them for probably about another 30 minutes. So I just gotta, I'm gonna get my coals, bring them over here, dump them into the smoker, and get this grill heated up so it'll be hot like an oven when I finally bring, my wings out here, and then clean my grates and all that. So that's what I'm about to do now. Now, I won't be adding any wood to my charcoal just yet. I'm gonna just let it heat up, and go in here now. I'm gonna season my wings and get them ready to come out. And then before I bring them out, then I'll throw some wood in there and get it smoking. So right now I'm just chilling. Probably got about 20 more minutes, and I'm gonna let these wings soak in that brine that I made. That water is real cold. Just let them sit. Then I'm gonna rinse them off again real good. Then I'm gonna get them seasoned up and get them out there. So in the meantime, I just got a waiting period, and then we'll season them up, get them out there, throw that wood on there, and we good to go. I really got it easy today too, because I don't have to make no sides. My son just asked me to make some wings. So I'm really excited about it, but it is a lot of wings. Let's see. I guess it might be about 20 pounds of wings that I'm making. So that's a good amount of wings. That's enough to feed the party. So that's how it's going down. I'm excited about it. No sides, just straight wings. All right, we got all the wings rinsed off and cleaned really good. We're gonna go out here and throw this wood on, then we're gonna season these wings and hurry up and get them out there. So I'm starting off with this big wood split that I got. Drop it in. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put some blocks in here too on the sides. This is all hickory wood I'm doing today. Let them go ahead and catch in there. And in the meantime, scrape this mess. As I got it heated up, this stuff comes off real easy when you got your grill heated up. Heat it up for maybe about 30 minutes to an hour before you put any food out here, and then you can get this stuff off Real easy. You be good to go. Just like that. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm gonna go in the house, season my wings, get them out here. It's on like that. Alright, so to season my wings, I'm rolling with onion powder. I'm going right in here. Get it all in here. Onion powder. My garlic powder. Black pepper. And then I'm rocking with that Slap Your Mama that I was never able to find. So it's new to me. And it's the Cajun seasoning hot blend. Slap Your Mama. So get that in there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put that quadruple blend in there with the soy sauce, teriyaki, W sauce, and the liquid smoke. And then I'm gonna mix them all up. And I'm ready to take them outside. Soy sauce. Teriyaki sauce. And my W sauce. With the smoke. Mix it all up. Finally got everything out here. We got all them wings out here. So it's going down now. I'm gonna hurry up and shut this lid because we gotta get this stuff done for this party. We're getting it cranking out here. Gonna be some amazing wings today. That's what we doing. Get it cracking. Smoke. So yeah, we looking real good out here. I got everything flipped. Look at them wings. It's going crazy out here. Got everything flipped. Gotta hurry up and shut this lid though. We gotta keep it rocking. We just keep dropping them blocks in there to keep it going. We gotta get them in there and get them sauced up after this. So we're just gonna keep it going. Got a nice clean smoke coming out of there. Nice clean smoke. So what we doing? All right, so we got everything flipped again. They're looking amazing. We got this one wing right here. What's up with that? Let's see. You know, we got him over that way for a reason, but yeah, it's looking good out here. Let's shut the lid, keep it cracking. We drop some more wood blocks in, getting that flame right. Let's get this shut and keep it cracking. It's looking good. We're doing good. Nice clean smoke. We're gonna get them sauced up and take them over to the party. What's that? I got garlic parmesan and hot honey garlic. All right, so this is what we got. Beautiful smoked. They looking good. I'm gonna take them in here. I'm gonna sauce them up and get them in those pans and get them over here to this party. That's what it is. We got all wings sauce and we got them here. We'll see how it goes down. See what everybody think about the wings. See? What you think?
Yes, slippery. I almost have no words.
Is it slapping?
I'm loving the charm. I love it.
It's a smoked wing, so what you think?
Oh yeah, it's awesome. It's real, real good, man.
Alright, that's what's up. I appreciate you.
Oh my God.
That's
I'm gonna
what's
take
up.
the whole pan home. If that's okay?
Yeah, you can do that. It's all good. I appreciate everybody watching. Till we meet again. Peace.